Hello everyone, I'm academician Dr. Lilia. Welcome to Science and Me YouTube channel. The mission of my channel is to introduce you to popular science and to create a popular science encyclopedia on YouTube. We are back with an interesting popular science video. I would be very happy if you support me by subscribing to my channel and writing a comment. If you are ready, let's start the video. Big data analytics is the process of collecting, examining, and analyzing large amounts of data to discover market trends, insights, and patterns that can help companies make better business decisions. Big data is characterized by its volume, velocity, and variety. Volume refers to the large amount of data that is generated and collected each day. Velocity refers to the speed at which data is generated and collected. Variety refers to the different types of data that are collected, such as structured data, e.g., customer records, financial data, semi-structured data, e.g., social media posts, email messages, and unstructured data, e.g., images, videos, audio recordings. Big data analytics can be used to improve many different business processes, such as marketing. Big data can be used to understand customer preferences, identify market trends, and develop targeted marketing campaigns. Sales. Big data can be used to identify potential leads, predict customer churn, and improve sales performance. Operations. Big data can be used to optimize supply chains, improve product quality, and reduce costs. Product development. Big data can be used to understand customer needs, identify new product opportunities, and improve existing products. Risk management. Big data can be used to identify and assess risks, and develop strategies to mitigate them. Here are some examples of how big data analytics is being used in the real world. E-commerce companies. E-commerce companies use big data analytics to understand customer behavior, recommend products, and prevent fraud. Financial institutions. Financial institutions use big data analytics to assess risk, detect fraud, and develop new financial products. Healthcare organizations. Healthcare organizations use big data analytics to improve patient care, develop new treatments, and reduce costs. Government agencies. Government agencies use big data analytics to improve public services, combat crime, and protect national security. Big data analytics is a powerful tool that can help organizations of all sizes improve their operations and make better decisions. However, it is important to note that big data analytics can be complex and costly. Organizations need to have the right infrastructure, tools, and skills in place to effectively manage and analyze big data. Here are some of the challenges of big data analytics. Volume. The large volume of big data can make it difficult to store and process. Velocity. The high velocity of big data can make it difficult to keep up with the pace of data generation. Variety. The wide variety of big data can make it difficult to integrate and analyze data from different sources. Security. The large amount of sensitive data that is collected and processed by big data analytics systems can be a target for hackers. Privacy. There are concerns about the privacy of individuals when their data is collected and analyzed by big data analytics systems. Despite the challenges, big data analytics is a rapidly growing field with the potential to revolutionize many industries. Organizations that can effectively use big data analytics to gain insights into their customers, operations, and markets will be well positioned to succeed in the future. Big data analytics is a field of data analysis that deals with the processing and analysis of extremely large and complex datasets, often referred to as big data. These datasets are typically characterized by the three verses. Volume. Big data involves massive amounts of data. This could range from terabytes to petabytes of data, or even more. Velocity. Data is generated and collected at high speeds. This can include data streaming in real time from various sources such as social media, sensors, and more. Variety. Big data comes in many different forms, including structured data, like databases, semi-structured data, like XML files, and unstructured data, like text documents, images, and videos. Big data analytics aims to extract meaningful insights, patterns, and knowledge from these large and complex datasets. It often involves the use of advanced analytics techniques and technologies, including data mining. This involves discovering patterns and relationships in large datasets. It can help identify hidden insights and trends. Machine learning. Machine learning algorithms can be applied to big data to build predictive models, classify data, and make recommendations. These algorithms can handle massive amounts of data efficiently. Distributed computing. Big data is often processed using distributed computing frameworks like Apache Hadoop and Apache Spark, which can divide and conquer large datasets across multiple servers or nodes. Data visualization. Tools for data visualization are used to represent the results of big data analytics in a way that is easy to understand and can aid in decision-making. Natural language processing, NLP. NLP techniques are used to analyze and make sense of unstructured text data, which is abundant in big data. NoSQL databases. These databases are designed to handle large volumes of unstructured data efficiently. Big data analytics has applications in various industries, including business. It can help companies improve customer experience, optimize operations, and make data-driven decisions. Healthcare. Analyzing patient records, medical images, and genomic data can lead to better healthcare outcomes and drug discovery. Finance. It is used for fraud detection, risk assessment, and algorithmic trading. Marketing. Big data helps in customer segmentation, targeted advertising, and understanding market trends. Smart cities. In urban planning, it can optimize transportation, utilities, and public services. Scientific research. Analyzing large datasets in fields like astronomy, genomics, and climate science. Big data analytics has transformed how organizations make use of data and has the potential to revolutionize decision-making and innovation in various fields. However, it also comes with challenges related to data privacy, security, and the need for skilled professionals who can work with big data tools and technologies. Dear friend, I hope you benefited from the video. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoy content like this, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to stay updated with new videos. Also, if you liked it, be sure to leave a like and share your thoughts in the comments. Looking forward to seeing you again with new videos. I can't wait to bring you more knowledge from the enchanting world of science.